In this series, we're going to introduce you to Unity and its interface. It's a quick series. We're not going to be working on a game just yet, but instead, we want to make sure that you're comfortable with some of the basic tools and UI elements that you'll need to be successful in later training series. So when you get started down the road of game development, the first thing that comes up is, what kind of game engine do I use? I've been in the game industry for over 15 years, and one of the things I've found and been privileged to is use every engine on the market. Unity itself is one of the strongest engines that's out there, the most portable to different devices, the most open to programmers, level designers, and artists. The tools are friendly, the interface is intuitive, and very quick to get up to speed with and use. One of the advantages to using Unity, not only from its tool perspective, but also from its environment for community and development. What we're going to look at here, just to kind of help you out, if you go to the unity3d.com, their site, you'll notice this is going to be the landing page for everything that you're going to want to go to. One of the things we'll take a quick look at is, if this is a good engine, do people develop on it? If you go to their showcases, you'll notice that in the showcases, yes, people develop on it, AAA companies develop on it, indie developers work with it, students work with it. The system, the tools in place here, this is going to be your first choice, your last choice when it comes to making games, to making interactive applications, to making making websites, forums, anything that you want to actually create, but also something that you're looking for to create on multiple platforms. Going to the mobile, going to consoles, going to different standalone devices, Linux and Mac and PC. Unity's showcase, if you go into just looking at games alone, you'll notice that games, this is everything from 3D games to 2D games. This is a really great spot that if you're looking for what does the engine produce and what can be done with it, what can push its limits, what can be done with a large team, what can be done with a small team. If you notice, you're going to see large companies, small companies all over creating and developing with it. It's not only a good tool to learn just for yourself, but if you're looking for full-time employment in the game industry, this is definitely one of the leading tools that you would want to learn and understand. Growing your skill in this is definitely going to be a plus for you. So going through here though, just to kind of cap off with the who can use Unity, what's the benefit of it, just the games here on this page alone should really kind of show you and provide you the confidence that the direction you're getting into, the direction you want to go with this engine, is a really good choice.